where is the color picker and how we can use it in Photopea. Color picker may be hidden behind a crop tool. So by default you may see a crop tool, but if you press and hold you will see there is a eyedropper tool here. If you select that, you will be able to click on different colors in your artboard and they will be picked here in the color section on the right, ready to be useful. Color picker can be also used to recolor existing vector or text objects. So if I double click on that vector shape, I will get this pop-up, and you can of course pick the color from here, but you can also go back to your tool panel while this is still open, grab the color picker and click somewhere in your image. Take a look. I can pick the color using color picker. I'm not limited only to this color spectrum. So that's how you use your color picker. By default, it will pick the color and place it here in the color section for you to use in the next brush stroke, next text or shape. But if you go existing one, you can also grab the picker from the left while you're changing the color and use that as well. Keep in mind, you can save some of those colors as your swatches. So if you change to swatches, you can define new swatch from the color you just pick. You can even give it a unique name. So from here we can see last colors we pick. So those are the colors we just used in the project. You always have this preview of recent used colors, so you can use that and then simply define new, and you can keep those colors in this list so you can easily find them later. Alright, so that's where the color picker is. Usually it's hidden somewhere behind the crop tool. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.